This is portable monitors. So this is 13.3 inch 16 by 9 ratio 1000 XD pixel by 1920 pixel. So this is a connection of the touch screen. So we have the USB port connected through the connection at the end, like this. We also have the in and out of a audio system, VGA, DVI, and HDMI connection. We also have the power 12 voltage DC. So it include adapters for this one. So we connect the power in, and we have the light green over here. We can close it by click at this button. Okay, it has a function and menu: up, down, enter. So click at this. So it's look like this one. There's no signal input. However, we still can click at the menu. So however, I will connect the USB port to the laptop. So I already turned on the laptop and link the HDMI below. Let's check it. With HDMI, we can play the sound through this monitor. So it's look like this one. You can click this one. We still have the original cover right here. We can type in the pin for this over here, like something like this. So right now is enter the window. So also play the sound from this monitor. You have the display on here. On the back, it has VESA 75mm. You will connect to the holder. Look at this. It has the maybe this one, generate sound on both sides. Yes, on both sides. So here is recommend to remove the cover. So the original factory has the cover for and the scratch on the monitor, but it's recommend to install additional screen protector. And also this one is a lot of gray for the light reflection for this model. So I will put the anti-reflection screen protector on it. Here's what I'm talking about. So we have like screen protector. This is the blue light version. Is anti the blue light from the screen. This is the normal. So we will use this one first. Installation. So then clean the LCD make sure the adhesive says phase tear off the membrane with step 1. And we will align the screen protector. If there are bubble, we use the fiber cloth to wipe it out. So it's look a little bit smaller. It fit the screen side. So we will install this one. So like this one, we will clean it first, but I think the red side is a top surface. It's not sticky. It's anti-glare version. So we know it, and then we will clean it first. So maybe this one can use screen cleaner. Another side is more sticky. So I think we should turn it on to see the area. So we put it on the screen. So we remove a dust on the screen. We use a sticky tape and check the dust through the light reflection. Yo, it finished. Installation the film. it become the anti-glare